Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, March 4th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you, and please have a seat.
As our kindness ambassador, please welcome our kindness ambassador, Matthew.
We have a few teacher nominations today. Miss B was nominated by Alexis because she's kind, calm, and beautiful. Miss Backy was nominated by Miss Sander because she's kind to students and staff. She wears a beautiful smile underneath her mask. You may not be able to see it, but you can clearly tell it's there. Thank you for brightening our days. Miss Sander had several nominations because she is the kind teacher. Layla appreciates that Miss Sander gives them Smarties and makes kids happy. Andam said she makes learning fun. Miss Bermudez said she always has a positive attitude and is an amazing teammate and friend. Thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
This month is Women's History Month. Today we will be honoring Jade Goodall. Jade Goodall was born April 3rd, 1934, in London, England. She had an early love for animals, and at the age of 23, she moved to Africa, beginning her studies of chimpanzee behavior. In 1960, Goodall set up a camp in Gombe Stream Game Reserve to begin her 56-year study of wild chimpanzees. Her techniques were unconventional because she named the chimps instead of numbering them in 1977. She co-founded the Jane Goodall Institute. Over her long career, Goodall has written many books, academic papers, and children's books. She is considered the world's top expert on chimpanzees.
This week is Read Across America Week. Let's celebrate by reading together. Today is Talent Thursday. Read a book about someone famous. Tomorrow is Read Your Favorite Bedtime Story. Wear comfy pajamas.
Ooh, yay!
Yay! Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton it will be partly cloudy with a high of 72 and a low of 52.
Happy birthday to Zion Smith in pre-K.
Happy birthday! Today in history, in 1766, the British Parliament repeals the Stamp Act.
Today is National Sons Day. This day honors not only the sons of the world, but also the ones who take care of them.
In the headlines, Dallas woman celebrates 108th birthday, community honors for one of the oldest Texans. For Eva Johnson, 108th birthday, she received a vehicle parade as well as in-person wishes from leaders of the community. Eva has lived to see 6 generations of her family, with 9 children, 36 grandchildren, and over 70 great-grandchildren or great-great-grandchildren.
Wow!
Now for the joke of the day. Today's fun fact is scientists were able to take a picture of an atom's shadow.
Wow. Wow.
Now for the joke of the day. Did you hear about the new restaurant called Karma?
No.
There's no menu. You just get what you deserve. That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Aaliyah.
And I'm Malia.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, 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 bum.